sulfides. Okay, this one will be your fourth equation. Sulfides means we are talking about SO3 minus 2 here. So any of the sulfite you take, for example, we are taking sodium sulfite plus HCl. We all know if any sulfite is taken, it will always give you a end product sulfur dioxide. So what is the product here? The first thing will be a salt formation, NaCl. Second one will be a formation of water, H2. And the third one will be, because just now I have said sulfite will be breaking into sulfur dioxide gas. Okay, so always any metallic sulfite in reaction with HCl will give you salt, water and sulfur dioxide. The fifth reaction which we have to see in HCl chapter is reaction with sulfides. Okay, now sulfide symbol is S and the valency will be -2 there. So if sulfide we are taking, for example, we take sodium sulfide. Okay, this is made to react with HCl. Again, what does it form? Sulfide with reaction of acid will always give you hydrogen sulfide, which is having rotten egg smell. Now sodium, it will form a salt, sodium chloride, and the second product will be H2S. This is the gas formed there. Okay, now student, in all these reactions I am not balancing it, okay, because already this balancing portion is very easy, you can do by yourself. So with sulfide, if an acid is made to react, what does it form? Sodium chloride, and it forms hydrogen sulfide, which is having a rotten egg smell. Okay, now sixth reaction, and now this reaction is very important reaction for your board point of view. Thio sulfates. Okay, where this is very important. For example, we'll take sodium thiosulfate Na2S2O3. Okay, this is made to react with HCl. Okay, so what happens here? A salt formation will be there, NaCl. Then there will be formation of, because S sulfur is present and oxygen is present, so there will be a formation of sulfur dioxide. Then oxygen and hydrogen is there, there will be a formation of water. What is the main thing is there will be one more product formed here, and that will be your sulfur, which is a precipitate. And what is the color of the precipitate? It will be yellow PPT. 7th equation will be reaction with nitrates. Okay, and for your board point of view, there are two of the reactions which are very important. The first one is your lead nitrate and the second one is your silver nitrate. Okay, both of them individually will be seeing the reaction. Lead nitrate plus HCl will be giving you a salt. What is that salt? PbCl2. And what is formed as a byproduct is your acid HNO3. Okay, and this is also a precipitate. Now coming to AgNO3, reaction with HCl, this again is giving AgCl, and plus it will be giving you again the same HNO3, and this AgCl is also a precipitate. What is the difference between both of them is AgCl forms a curdy white PPT, okay, and PbCl2 will only form a white PPT. Now another difference which is asked in the exam is PbCl2 do not dissolve in HNO3, or AgCl also do not dissolve in excess of HNO3. PbCl2 will be dissolving, AgCl will be dissolving in excess of ammonium hydroxide. And when it is dissolving, what product it is forming? It is forming AgNH3 whole twice Cl. Okay, now this is known as diamine silver chloride. Okay, once again, diamine silver chloride, which is a soluble product there. So student, these two equations are very important for your board point of view. 8 will be with oxidizing agents. Okay, some of the examples are MnO2, or we will take lead dioxide, Okay, two of the different examples are there. Even we can take bleaching agents also, okay, or bleaching powder there. So if MnO2 plus HCl react, it forms MnCl2, that is one of the salt, and it is forming H2O plus chlorine gas there. Here also the same thing, it will be forming PbCl2 plus H2O, and we are having chlorine gas. That means if HCl is reacting with any oxidizing agent, there will be a formation of chlorine gas there. Okay, now next reaction will be 9 number. Okay, for 9 number, or it is a part of the HCl chapter which is also included in nitric acid. What is that? That is HCl reaction with nitric acid, and this is known as aqua regia. Okay, in aqua regia what happens? HCl is made to react with nitric acid, and what is the ratio there? The ratio will be 3:1. That means 3 part of HCl is used, 1 part of HNO3 is used. Now see here what happens. HCl plus HNO3, this forms nitrosyl chloride, plus we are having H2O and we are having nascent chlorine. Okay, now this is the main thing due to which what happens, or we can say that why do we use aqua regia? Aqua regia is used to dissolve all the noble metals. Now what are these noble metals? The noble metals are, we can call silver, gold, platinum, because they readily do not react with any of the elements or any of the compounds there. So individually one by one we'll be seeing the reaction. What is the first reaction? If we are taking gold in presence of nascent chlorine, so what does it form? This forms AuCl3, you just balance here. Okay, another one, if we are taking platinum plus nascent chlorine, what does it form? It forms platinum chloride, and here we'll be putting 4. That means AuCl3 is a soluble one and PtCl4 is a soluble product there. Okay, so this is your aqua regia. HCl gas and HCl acid. Okay, so one by one we'll be dealing this. Okay, the first test will be HCl gas is having a pungent smell. Okay, already in the starting of the chapter we have studied this. Second one is, if we are considering HCl gas, if it is made to react with ammonium solution, okay, what does it form? It forms ammonium chloride, which is having dense white fume. Okay, these two reactions are regarding HCl gas. Now third reaction will be dealing with HCl acid. We call that as hydrogen chloride gas was HCl gas, and the second part is HCl, that is hydrochloric acid. Now if hydrochloric acid is made to react with silver nitrate, then it forms salt, that is AgCl, plus it is giving you HNO3. Okay, now AgCl is a precipitate, and what is the color of this precipitate? It gives you a curdy white PPT. Okay, now the fourth test for hydrochloric acid is, if we are using any of the oxidizing agent. This oxidizing agent, if it reacts with HCl, what does it form? It forms a salt MnCl2, okay, plus what we are having? H2O, and we are having chlorine gas. Now chlorine gas will have a greenish yellow color. Okay, now in order to test this, okay, in order to test this, what we will be taking? We'll be taking starch iodide paper. Okay, now starch iodide paper turns blue black when it comes in contact with chlorine gas. Is it clear, students? So these are the following tests which will be telling you whether a particular gas will be HCl or a particular acid will be your HCl acid. Hope students this chapter is very much clear to you. In the upcoming videos we'll be discussing ammonia, then we'll be discussing nitric acid, and we'll be discussing sulfuric acid. Okay.